Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the GOQii Vital 3.0 fitness tracker. This is a medically certified device from GOQii. You use this to track a lot of stuff like body temperature, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen level, and so on and so forth. It says smart preventative and healthcare ecosystem. It comes with a personal coach, health expert, and also a doctor consultancy. It can measure blood pressure, heart rate. It comes with multiple sports mode. It also shows you notifications, and it has USB charging as well. What else do we have? Everything that this particular device does is listed over here. That's more or less all the data we have, information we have on this particular box. Let's open it and show you what's inside. So these are the components of the box. We have a user manual from GOQii. This is what you use to set up the tracker. We'll show you how to do that in the video. There are these cards from GOQii as well. This is an activation code from GOQii. There is this thank you note from GOQii, and also a note on how to charge this particular device. These are the silicone straps that comes with this particular fitness tracker. They're pretty tough and not very flexible, but they're very tough and looks very durable. I mean, it is pretty durable. I haven't been able to break it so far. So that's a great thing. Let's put them on this particular fitness tracker and let's see what this tracker can do. So you put it in like this. And just one thing I should mention, this is how you charge this particular fitness tracker. All you have to do is plug it into any USB-A slot on a laptop or a PC and you're good to go. If you have a power brick that has a USB-A slot in it, that will work as well. And this is it. This is what the GOQii Vital 3.0 fitness tracker looks like. I will try to turn it on. This is touch responsive actually. So I probably have to charge it before I turn it on. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the GOQii Vital 3.0 fitness tracker. Thank you for watching.